Facing the fall as Nassau County students prepare to head back to class next Tuesday, the county is reporting one of the highest rates of new COVID-19 cases per capita of the counties in the nation's largest metro areas. The rate of new positive COVID-19 test results stands at nearly 27% in the county. Now, the surge in cases coincides with the start of school next week, as we know, in Nassau County. Nassau County Superintendent Dr. Kathy Burns is now joining us via Zoom this morning. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
So, Dr. Burns, as I'm sure that you are well aware, late last night, the Duval County School Board made the decision to require masks, essentially not a mandate, but it requires students to opt out if they choose not to wear one. What is Nassau County doing when it comes to masks in classrooms when the school starts next week?
At this time, we are encouraging masks, and I'm strongly encouraging. As you know, the governor's executive order did not allow us to require masks. I was not aware of Duval County's decision late last evening. I do know they're requiring their employees to wear masks, but that's our position today.
What kind of feedback are you receiving, first, let me say, from parents about whether or not students should really wear the mask? Do you feel that they'll require their kids to do it when they go to school?
We have mixed feedback. There are folks who want their students to wear masks, and then there's also a lot of people who want the option to choose whether their child wears a mask or not.
And what about teachers? Are they concerned about their health, given the fact that we know that young people who may not be eligible to receive the vaccine, as an example, can potentially spread it to those who are older?
I have put out a message to all of our employees and our school leaders to share with their employees as well that I strongly encourage the use of masks, especially for the first 30 days of the school year, as we see these numbers increase, and hopefully we'll see a decline soon.
Are you concerned about a teacher shortage? I know that's a concern in Duval County. Teachers have already actually resigned because they're worried about their health.
I think a teacher shortage is a Florida problem and nationwide, and we do have about 20 positions to fill at this time.
Wow. Are you going to be able to do that in time? And with those 20 vacancies, is that going to be a problem in terms of having enough in the classroom first day of school?
Well, of course, we want certified teachers in every classroom every day. We're working diligently to fill those positions at this time.
I know that busing is a frequent question that is asked just in general, regardless of a pandemic. So I want to address it for our Nassau County parents, since it is such a common question. But first, if you could please explain, will there be any social distancing, any masks, any hand sanitizer, any opportunity on the bus for the kids to kind of sit further apart this school year?
We do have sanitizing stations at the bus. We have masks available on the bus. We'll be following the procedures that we followed last year as far as sanitizing and for COVID cleanliness during the school year. We do not have the option to social distance on the buses. As you know, bus drivers, that's another shortage we have not only in Nassau County, but also in our state and around the country. So we do not have the option to social distance on the bus.
And for parents who maybe are sending children to school for the first time, they've moved to Nassau County, what should they know about learning about bus routes and where their kids need to go and at what time?
All of our bus routes are posted on our website, but they may also call the school district office and we can direct them to the right person to give them the information that they need.
And I know that typically there are open house events and whatnot that are held at the beginning of the school year, meet and greet opportunities also for parents to meet their child's teacher. Are those still going to happen this year as regular, given the increase in the Delta variant in cases?
We are having the meet and greet activities going on in our schools. Every address in Nassau County received our newsletter, the Nassau Notebook, that provides all of that information.
Dr. Kathy Burns, thank you for your time this morning. We really appreciate it. We hope you have a successful beginning of the school year.
Thank you. Thank you, Jen.